The welterweight division steps into the spotlight. The Warriors Dream Series 15 fight night where the strength meets the strategy, the pressure meets the precision. Only one warrior moves forward. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing EFC MMA and Fitness, trained under the coach Gurkirat Gill, with a solid amateur MMA record of 8 wins and 2 losses. Make some noise for Amit Chida. Holding an impressive amateur MMA record of 12 wins and just 3 losses. Please welcome Rudransh Agnihotri.
All the way from Cross Train Fight Club, Rudransh Agnihotri.
Guys, as you can see, Agnihotri has entered, and the person walking him out is none other than Arjun Raman Sethi, the Muay Thai legend. Those of you that is the Muay Thai legend. Striking coach. Let's see great striking from Rudransh.
This fight has everything. This is a welterweight clash which is built for the intensity. This is Warriors Dream Series 15, the fight night. Here we go with bout number 10.
And we kick off another banger fight. Amit Chida versus Rudransh Agnihotri. Rudransh in
here
red and Amit in blue.
We begin with the round 1 of bout number 10, welterweight category. We fight. Hey!
Amit striking
Amit
really
has
well.
dropped-
Gets a
Amit
knockdown.
has dropped some powerful bombs.
Rudransh gets the takedown. Can he complete the takedown?
Rudransh is in a bit of problem.
He has him pinned, but can he have the leverage to complete the takedown? Rudransh lands a knee.
Both fighters trying to secure a dominant position each other. Fighters trying to dominate.
Rudransh is on with those knees. The body knees are definitely a great tool in such exchanges. They will gas your opponent out and you have the chance to either break or bruise a rib. Exactly. He gets a leg kick. Nice check by Rudransh. Exactly, because the potential to check them is quite easy. Yes. Now Amit has Rudransh pinned on the cage. Can he complete the takedown? And they're back to the center. Both of them landing knees now. This is an exchange of knees. I'm sure there's about to be some bruising if this continues. It's going to be really difficult to not gas out. Nice escape by Rudransh. Can he complete? Can he complete the takedown? Amit does look gassed out a bit. Yep, Rudransh trying to pull on that leg and he gets it. That was a good job by Rudransh. He's looking for the ground and pound entry. And the round ends. Yes, he was going for the triangle choke, but then again, it wasn't an optimal position. The chances were very less that that would be finished into a triangle choke. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see Ashish Raman Sethi again in the cage. Muay Thai legend, striking coach of Rudransh. Definitely, let's see that striking come into play in round 2. The coach giving some last-minute tips to Rudransh.
Side we have got Ashish Raman Sethi, and on one side we have got Gurdeep Singh.
Let's see how this
Singh Gill.
goes. Gurkirat Singh Gill
Wrestling
is the coach
legend.
of Amit Chida, and Ashish Raman Sethi is the coach of Rudransh Agnihotri. Both legends and now creating legendary fighters. Nice trip by Amit.
A nice start of the round 2 with both the fighters throwing exchanges
Rudransh
and a
was
push
pretty
kick.
quick at getting up from that knockdown. Both of them playing into striking now. Gauging the distance.
You see,
Rudransh
this
lands
is
a
what
left hand.
happens when a Muay Thai legend is by your side. You automatically go to striking. And what an amazing strike.
Nice exchange by Amit. There's the takedown attempt. Can Amit defend it? And he was not able to defend it. Rudransh is doing good. Amit setting up the armbar, possibly.
Can he pull that
Amit
armbar?
is showing some good transitions on the ground.
I
Maybe
feel-
he
I
should
feel
try to play to that. That is his advantage.
I feel he was trying for the triangle choke again.
Could be, definitely. Some sort of warning by the official. And the fight resumes.
And he strikes.
Another takedown attempt and he gets the takedown.
The thing with takedown is, Rohan, that you have to be so fast with the takedown or else you can get
Exactly.
uppercut straight up to your chin.
Exactly. That threat will always be there.
Always
and
be there.
Strikers should aim to create that threat, especially when facing against a grappler. And he tries to reverse. Can he reverse it? Man's trying to ground and pound.
For a second, I thought they are going for their knee bars.
I don't think they can apply knee bars in amateur. So yeah. But that was a good situation for a knee bar.
Exactly.
Now a punch to the rib, punch to the head.
Trying to get score points.
Both of them trying to maintain composure, and can Amit reverse the position? Yet again, Rudransh is still on the top.
They are throwing some nasty punches to each other.
Rudransh in side control now. Amit has a good lock on his neck. He can't posture up right now. He's let it go. Now's the chance to transition for Rudransh.
Amit has like no space to move actually. He's not even trying to
That is a
escape from that
perfect side
position.
control executed by Rudransh.
What an amazing control by Rudransh, you can see that.
And
this
there's the
is-
bell.
This is the end of round 2 and the beginning of round 3 is about to go in.
We're in round 3 now. The coaches are back
Coaches
in.
are back in.
Let's see
I mean,
what the
this is some
switch up
legendary
is going to
side.
be to this game.
This is some legendary side. At one side we have got
Exactly, it becomes such a high stakes
Ashish
game.
Raman Sethi. And on one side we have got Gurkirat Gill. These both are, I mean, legends, man. Stepping into
100%.
octagon for their fighters means a lot.
100%. And the level of knowledge that they must have imparted to both of these is going to definitely shape up bright prospects for Indian MMA.
I mean, not just the name, but the age and the time of experience they have spent within the sport. You know?
100%, 100%. Plus, the thing is, Ashish will also be transitioning to boxing now, so
Yeah.
definitely the striking from Muay Thai will carry on to boxing. And we have the beginning of round 3.
Let's see where it goes. Will it be a decision? Will it be a knockout? Will it be a submission? God knows.
Only time
We
will tell.
just know that this is a hell of a fight. This is one of
For
amazing
sure,
fight.
for sure.
This is something legendary going on.
He has the underhook in. Can he complete the takedown? And no,
Body
the
shots.
knees have been amazing. The
Knees,
body
punches.
knees are going to be a really great tool, and these guys are using it to their advantage. Definitely, we should expect to see some bruising.
Both the fighters are being ruthless to each other's bodies, going full on their bodies with
Can he
knees, with
complete the
punches.
takedown? He needs to sweep that other leg.
Can you see that he's now using knees on the thighs?
Exactly.
Amit Chida.
And another heavy knee by Amit Chida.
Rudransh need
Corners
to-
are doing their best right now. The corners are screaming at their fighters with their advice. Let's see if these fighters can utilize that advice.
And this is some amazing combination by Amit Chida. And he
That
drops
was a solid
And
kick
he
by
drops.
Amit Cheda. He gets another knockdown.
Rudransh Agnihotri.
Both of them using reversals now. Another knee.
Amit Chida using full his knees support.
Rudransh
hit.
getting insights from his corner now.
रूडी उसको बॉल चाहिए बॉल मत करियो उसको बॉल चाहिए बस रूडी नी मार अब लेफ्ट का नी लेफ्ट भाई लेफ्ट ब्रदर हाँ ये लेफ्ट का नी अब राइट या स्पेस बना के फिर से दियो रूडी पेट पे ही नहीं हाँ 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 रूडी 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 फुल स्कॉल टर्न टर्न
There's the takedown.
रूडी टर्न हेड बाहर निकाल हेड पीछे निकाल हाँ
Let's see क्या होता है अभी थर्ड राउंड के एंड पे. And the kick
That's
straight
a
to the
head kick.
face.
रूडी सीधा
Amazing punches.
रूडी टर्न
Can Amit set up the DAS? He's in the setup. He needs to lock Rudransh's leg. Can he lock Rudransh's leg right now? And Rudransh escapes from the DAS. There was a nice hook by Amit.
This is the end of the round 3.
Round 3 ends. The fight
Decision
goes to
अभी
the
रेफरी की
decision.
तरफ जाते हुए. Let's see who goes, who wins. level of power, the level of amazing experience, the level of determination, the level of strength shown by both the fighters. काफी amazing था ये देखने, मजा आया fight. The coaches के जो experiences है, वो दोनों fighters ने काफी अच्छे से उसको pull off किया. अब देखना ये है कि decision किसके हक में जाता है. Any chances, Rohan? क्या लगता है?
The fight was pretty neck and neck, so can't really point out a clear winner if you'll ask me. A lot of takedown attempts have been. There was a Darce escape as well. So this is a neck and neck fight. Let's see. I'll wait for the judges to score this.
Are you ready for the decision?
Definitely.
Even audience might be ready for the decision. Let's see who wins this. Let's see who has got this.
After 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. This bout has been scored a split draw.
It was a fight and it scored as such.
Fight of this